Ma ssib xejn.
You guys see that? Look, the lights.
X'attara?
The bloody lights over there. They kind of look a bit like
Imma dak mhumiex aħbex mortali mhux vera.
No, yeah.
Tafu li mhumiex żmien li niċċelebraw hekk?
Anzi, aħna vera isnu l-nfusna l-laki li għandna saqaf fuq rasna u li għadna fġiltna.
Mhux hekk?
Mhux mal-bqija tad-dinja.
Għax ma tirringrazzjawx lili xkif ma għandkomx lili intom mittu bil-ġuħ.
Għalhekk qedlek li aħna laki.
Can you guys just relax, please?
Mela bda tista' toqgħod relax int.
Ma għabli tafx naħseb li aħna ltqajna b'kombinazzjoni. Jew inħoss li rridu nagħmlu xi ħaġa flimkien taf kif.
Well, I had a dream about my mum the other day.
Really?
Yeah. I dreamt about my mum and my dad and...
Terġax tibda fuq ommok int, all right? Ommok mietet, qalbi.
Ja ħalli ħasta titkellem fuq omma.
Mela kompli.
Anyway, so I had a dream about my mum and my dad and about our old house and about my bedroom and I don't know, like when you're young, you just kind of like want to branch out and have fun and go out and whatever. And now I just kind of want to go back home. You know? Like I miss listening.
Let's play a game. Let's play.
Yes. Love a game right now.
I spy.
With my little eye.
But I'm going to say it this time.
Okay, fine. Go.
Something beginning with S. Yes.
Please.
Shirt.
Mur fitta xemmek fil-kas inti.
Shirt.
No, it's Sky, but yeah, anyways.
Whatever.
Ismani.
Hey. Do you ever see monsters when you close your eyes? Really?
Għandililkom mhux biżżejjed jiena mostri jgħidli.
Hey, do you have cigarettes or something? Because
No, sorry, I'm out.
really?
Yeah.
Okay. How about another game?
Telabu xejn tarif u.
No. Game. You're gonna love this one.
Għarsaq minn nofsint.
So, ladies and gentlemen, here we have a new game of casting lots to see who goes into the unknown.
Vote for me. Yes, vote for me.
You have one. What about you?
Xiexina.
Are you gonna go out or what?
Jien ma sejrem kienek, titu
Why not?
right? Anzi, burdak. Għajdli burdak.
Fine,
what?
go. Over there, go. See what there is over there.
No, you
Why
should
not?
go to be honest.
Khudi.
I think,
Khudi
you.
beqeda, orqot, u taqsilkom ma ġarra xejn, all right? Tajjebek?
Okay, fine.
Xiex fajn, sa tivvinta.
I'll go.
Fej sejra bint.
Yes, I agree, you should go.
Emmek joqtluk podġi beqeda, trid.
No?
Jiddix il-madofija, minn fej ġibti l-di. Biex bisset kelli lilek.
Do you see that light over there?
X'dawlu?
Over
What
there.
light?
Fejta.
The one far away, look, right there.
Immet nara xejn jħasra, fejn it-tara id-dawl?
Are you blind or something?
Yes. What the hell is that?
Iva, issan kienet naraħ, tlaqna ħammarrox, għax ħajqtluna, tlaqna.
Hey, are you not coming?
What?
Are you gonna come with us or not?
Oh.
Really? Why not? I'll see you again.